Hey folks, this is a propane tank I made into a camp stove. I've installed it as a stove in my garage. Actually, it's more than -20 outside, but it is nice in here. Works really well. I did upgrade the chimney, as I mentioned. You wanted a bigger chimney. I went with a double 3-inch. Works good. I can just pop them apart, and got a few stacks to take out in the field with me when we're going to do hot tenting or anything like that. As I also mentioned, I added 2 more holes in the back and enlarging the side holes slightly. And then I didn't bother adding a second venting on the side, just here. But I did make those larger holes. So they work good. And I got 2 pieces of 5/8 rebar put through as a grate to set your material on, to keep it off and let it air through the bottom. And it actually works extremely well like that. It was very simple to do, and yeah, it worked really nice. And it doesn't stoke the flame to nothing, or damp it down so far that it can't breathe or cook anymore. It works really well. Very happy with it. It's a good upgrade, and yeah, it keeps my garage good. And so that means all I need is a bit of lumber, which I have enough of around, and I don't need to pay the power guy a ton of money for absolutely nothing. Well, not nothing, but next to it. So very, very happy with this thing. And now she's fully ready to go out in the field. I was thinking I might put a steel plate across the top here, which would be nice for cooking on. If I cut it here and then down here and just leave this last lower ring here and take the upper one off, put a plate across. This gets plenty warm that it'll easily radiate enough heat to cook anything on. But I kind of like the carrying handles, so I'm not sure if I'll cut it off, put a cooking plate on it. You can if you'd like. It will work really well, especially if you just cut it up here and the tabs over, and then you have something to actually secure it to, and it can sit over here, right? So that's how it is. Fire chimney's right up in there. Can't see it in the video. Too bad. But it is there. It works really well, obviously, or I wouldn't have it in my garage. So yeah, enjoy making yours. And if you have any recommendations or any comments on how yours went, just let me know. That'd be sweet, and I'll have no problem posting in the next video. All right, you guys have yourself a wonderful day, and I'm going to go eat something.